What are we doing?
We're gonna pull this engine and transmission out of the truck.
And
this wrecked up truck.
that's gonna be the game plan for the day. We're supposed to start on this real early, but things have happened.
It's been a busy morning.
Busy morning, Monday morning, you know how Mondays go. But now we're about to get to it. We're gonna pull this engine because it's going in something else. But this thing runs and drives, and it's just had a little bit of a accident. It was wrecked a little bit.
Accidente.
It only has 270 something thousand miles on it, but she runs good.
Runs like a top.
Heck yeah, let's get her out, man.
Okay guys, been working on this truck for a little while here, maybe about 30, 45 minutes. We got the whole front end off, got everything disconnected, all the wiring that I can reach from the top, the computer. I've not disconnected the radiator yet because I gotta get under the truck and do transmission mount, drive shaft, transmission lines. I'm trying to save as much of this as possible in case we can use it for this other truck. But the top side's all done. So now it's time to get on the floor and get real dirty.
Dude, I go to have a meeting for an hour with Voltage Vapor Shop, and I come back, get this thing tore apart, dude.
Towed apart. Now we got to undo the transmission, the exhaust, drive shaft, shifter linkage, transmission wiring harness.
Why don't you just yank it out? I mean,
because we need all this stuff.
Oh.
We're doing a swap, so we need all these wires.
No yanking.
We need this stuff.
We can't yank.
No yanking.
All right.
And you see why we didn't pull all this and drain all this all over the floor now, right? We got to get underneath there.
That would suck.
We don't want to be laying in it.
That would suck.
Right?
All right, let's get to it.
That's up.
Looks good to me.
Looks good to you?
Let's go.
Looks good to you?
We're gonna put this engine in today?
No. I'm not that ambitious.
All right, man.
All right, guys. I got this engine out. You can see right here behind me. It kicked my butt. To be honest with you, this is my first LS to remove. I've done the transmissions many a times, but actually pulling the engine, this was my first time. The oil pan gave me the blues. The cross members got 2 bolts in it I didn't realize were there. It would have dropped out of the way and solved a lot of my headaches. But since it's an old wrecked up truck, I just pulled the body mount bolts off and stuck jack stands under the body, and that gave me enough clearance to get the intake past the cowl panel there. That was my big issue, the oil pan and the cowl. But it's out. I'm gonna get the wiring harness pulled off of it, strip down, start cleaning it up, and get this piece of junk out of the shop.
Look what we got here.
Looky, looky, we got us a cookie.
That's what the LS engine that you pulled out of the 02.
Yeah, and we had a discussion this morning.
Yeah.
that truck feels like not that old of a truck to us.
Yeah, I saw the,
and it's 20 years old.
20 years old, and
that means I'm old.
We're old. But I saw the meme where it was like what we think a 20-year-old truck looks like and what an actual 20-year-old truck is.
I think this is a 20-year-old truck.
Yeah. That is a lot older than 20 years. But yeah, that sucker's like 37 years old.
Yeah. I was 5 when this truck came out, 4.
But it's such a cool truck. So anyways, I picked this up from my buddy Adam. I actually helped him go pick it up from the guy's house here in town. And we started looking. He said it was a Dallas County truck. And we saw on the side, we can kind of like go up and down and see where the stickers used to be that said Dallas County. And we're thinking about recreating it on the side of the truck because it says Mountain
Creek region. And there's a cool logo up on the top of the door too. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at.
So we're probably just gonna recreate that, or who knows, put something else on there, put some trim on it. We're gonna clean this truck up, but first we gotta get it off the trailer. So we're gonna do that now.
Yeah, I like it.
Like it?
Like it.
All right, I am gonna go start packing because I've got to.
Chase is leaving for Mexico on Thursday night.
Yeah.
And he hadn't packed any of his fishing tackle.
None of it. So I'm going to Lake Picacho's with Ron Speed Adventures, and about 20 guys, I believe, is gonna be in the whole thing. It's gonna be fun. I'm taking my buddy Cody Majak. We've had this trip planned for about a year. And so got all my clothes packed, but now I gotta go pack my tackle. So I'm gonna do that. Russell's gonna do this, and
Clothes aren't as important as the tackle.
I've already got the clothes.
That's what I'm saying though, like you'd be good with one outfit.
Yeah.
You could make it happen, but if you just brought one lure, you'd be screwed.
I would be screwed. All right, I'm gonna go pack.
Holla. Okay guys, we got the High Sierra, the square body unloaded that this LS is gonna go in. So I'm gonna start getting the wiring harness off this engine and just gonna run all this the whole time instead of time lapsing it. Because I've never done this, so I'll tell you if I learn anything about it along the way. All right, everybody, we got the LS took apart, ready to be cleaned up, and now it's time to get started on this 1984 High Sierra. Is it a GMC? Yeah, GMC High Sierra. I'm going to take the front clip off this truck and take the bed off the truck. I've not worked on a square body in a long time. I know there's gonna be a lot of standard instead of metric. Yeah, just keep up with this and follow along and see how this comes out. I'm ready to get started on these trucks, so here we go. We're saying goodbye for the day. I've had a very productive day.
You have. I have just been packing.
Packing fishing tackle.
Stressing me out.
He's been in there stressing out.
I've got too much to pack in a short amount of time to do it, and I should have been doing this last week.
Should have been doing it. But it's okay. It's all you got left to do is pack your fishing tackle.
That's it.
And you still got a whole nother day.
But you did get a lot done.
Got the truck tore down. Gonna try to get it pressure washed tomorrow afternoon, get the frame all cleaned up, get the engine cleaned up, and get ready to start going back together with it.
Yeah, we got a couple parts and pieces we gotta order.
Yeah, motor mount brackets. I don't know what else.
Refresh kit.
Yeah, we're gonna put some fresh gaskets and oil pump and pickup tube and stuff like that on the engine. We gotta clean up, we're gonna clean up the firewall and the inner fenders and stuff on the front clip, but other than that, the truck externally is gonna stay looking a lot like it looks. Some wheels, and it's already got a drop kit.
Yeah, it's gonna look cool. This will be a cool truck because it's gonna be for sale. So if you think you want it, you know, if like you see what we're doing right now, if you think you want this truck, let us know, because we can kind of, like if you want that engine painted red, we could paint it red instead of we're thinking about painted black.
Yeah.
You know, you could pick some wheels out for it and we could do all that. So just let us know if you're interested.
The goal is to get it running and driving and on the road and move on to the next truck. Well, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Watch our videos, and we'll see y'all on the next one.
And check us out on all of the other social medias.
Oh yeah, TikTok, Facebook.
We're really posting a lot to those social medias, Facebook and TikTok and Instagram. So
yeah.
check us out over there, The Journey HQ. We'll see you on the next one. Do what makes you happy.